Okay, I'll take you guys through creating reports in the GA4 interface. Not only creating reports, but kind of jumping into the various sections where you can create reports and modifying metrics so that they fit the most common use cases for a digital marketer. So let's jump in. Here's the home screen of GA4. Let's go over to the report section. So on the left, just make the menu expand, click on reports. Okay, why don't we click on the acquisition report. That's actually a great place to start. Click on traffic acquisition. Okay, perfect. So here you can see the various traffic sources on the left, and you can see the various metrics here. These are sort of by default. I haven't changed any of these. Users, sessions, engaged sessions, and so on. Now, if I want to modify this to add different things that I care about, I'm going to go over here, customize report. And here I can customize these various columns. So we're going to click on metrics. And then for me, there's no revenue on this particular website, so I'm going to get rid of it. I don't think there are any conversions, so I'm going to get rid of that. And also for the sake of this demo, we can remove that. Let's leave engagement rate. And let's add bounce rate. Engagement rate, bounce rate, engage users per session. Engage sessions per user, excuse me. Let's apply. There we go. We can see here that through organic search, bounce rate is 30%. And when we think about referrals, so people who are referring to this particular website, the bounce rate increases to 48%. But on which page is this happening? So we can actually add another row to compare it. So let's see which page. So we can say here landing page. Oh, okay. So on the About Us page for direct, bounce rate is about 50%. The fee calculator, bounce rate is 30%, which is actually quite good. Between 25 and 30% is actually a good bounce rate. All right, so this is good. This is a very useful report, and what I can do is I can hit save here. Save as a new report, and let's call it traffic acquisition. Or I can just say here, bounce rate per page, traffic acquisition. And then, I'll give it a description here. Typically you should. I'll just hit save for this demo. Okay, go back. Now if we go home, then if we go back to reports, let's try and find that particular report again. We're back over here, acquisition, overview. Traffic acquisition. How do we find it? I think we go here to library. There it is. So any saved report will actually get saved to your report library. And to view it, we just click on it. Let's let it load. There it is. Perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. That's how you modify the metrics in a report. And this was the traffic acquisition report. As you can see, we've added bounce rate and engagement rate and we've added pages so that we can understand from which traffic sources and which pages yielded different kind of bounce rate metrics and engagement rate metrics. This will allow us to optimize our site. Okay, thanks very much.